Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to share with you recipe of cucumber curry with flavor of sesame. It is very useful for diet people and also it is very healthy. So let us start this recipe. For this recipe we need 1 chopped cucumber which is yellow, 1 chopped onion, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon zira, 2 to 3 dry red chilies, coriander leaves, curry leaves, ghee 3 to 4 tablespoons, grounded sesame seeds, salt according to taste. Here I am using rock salt which is grounded. Now coming to the process, I have taken ghee in a pan. Then I am going to add mustard and cumin seeds, then curry leaves, then red chilies, and I am going to mix this. Now let's add onion to this and again let's mix this. Then it's turn to add salt. Here I am using only salt to the quantity of onions. Again I will use salt in the next process. Then let's add ginger garlic paste also to this and let's mix this. Now it's turn to add turmeric powder. Again mix it well. After this, let us add all the cucumber pieces and we need to boil this for some time. So let's add again salt for this cucumber in order to get boiled easily. Now this is done. One tablespoon red chili powder, I'm going to add grounded sesame seeds to this. Again I'm going to mix it. This curry is done. Let's garnish this with coriander leaves before you serve. For more health videos, please press the subscribe button, and also don't miss to press the bell icon when you subscribed it.